In this video, we will learn how to create a widget for the booking engine. To create a widget, open the Widget section in the Booking Engine menu. Click on the Create Widget button and select a template. Best price to offer lower prices than they do in OTAs. Special offer to create a rate on specific conditions. For example, offer a discount when booking 30 days in advance. Black Friday to create discounts for seasonal sales. Promo code when leaving the website page to offer a guest the discount promo code when they leave without booking. Choose a template. Set a script. Choose what should be opened when clicking on the widget, booking engine or particular rates. Add content, edit widget texts, and look at its preview on the right side. Choose the color. Choose an icon or an image. Publish the widget. Click on the Preview button to look at the widget before publishing it. If the result works for you, tick on the Publish box and click on the Done button. You can also create your own widget. Choose when visitors will see the widget once they open the page or when they are about to leave it. After that, style settings that will make your widget look unique. If your website has other language versions, translate the widget message. Then, choose the widget layout and the time gap between the page opening and the widget popping up. Mark where the widget reappears and set in how much time you want this to happen. Provide links to pages where you want the widget to be displayed. Set the period when the widget will be displayed on your website. Finally, publish the widget. Guests will also see special offers you create on the mobile phones and tablets. When you create a widget, it is already mobile-friendly. The updated widgets have some additional settings. The Show in Mobile Website Mode box is ticked by default if you already created widgets for desktops. Clear tick box if you do not want them to be displayed on mobile devices. Write in the message and click Multilingual to add the translations to other languages. Choose an icon and colors and set the widget's layout. This is how you create widgets for Booking Engine. If you have extra questions, feel free to contact us. You can find our contact details in the lower left corner of your extranet, or you can also use our knowledge base.